Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. To click and subscribe, like the button. Oh yeah, whatever. I don't know where to put it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry for the technical difficulties. I'm kind of scared. Yeah. Getting away from council aid to one place. Hey, give me the cake, Shane.
Oh, sorry, what's happening?
I'm trying to pull it the other way, and then you're pulling it one way.
Sorry, which way do you want it?
Oh, that way. Well, I wasn't going, but okay. So I'll tell you when it's getting close to the edge.
Yeah. And then do you want to pop down?
And then help. Yeah.
So we're just gonna bring it like that and then.
So Emma's just pushing it towards us until it's at the edge a bit.
Yeah.
And then she's going to come down and help us.
I'll go a little bit more on the other side.
Yep.
Is it okay?
Yep. Are you right then?
Yeah, she works on it.
Okay, you got it. I'm gonna let go.
Right, let go and come down.
Oh my god.
No, I think you're this side then.
Alright, we right? Alright, is everyone ready to go?
You want to put it down?
Pull it up and then go down slowly. Yeah?
Hold
No,
on.
I think you have to be on that side.
I think it's gonna fall on me.
Huh?
Alright, ready?
No, lift. Let's see if we can do it. Lift.
Alright. Lift.
Got it? Is it off?
No, not yet.
Let me know when it's off.
Alright, and off.
And down.
Down.
Down. Down. Down. Oh, it's not that heavy. Are you guys heavy or am I not doing anything? Shit.
Oh, my
You went
finger.
on it.
Oh well.
Oh.
Did you see my deep squat?
Yeah. I don't think it was in contact. Put it back up.
I think I jammed my finger a bit.
Where?
Oh, on the tray somehow.
So I think we'll walk it over.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just push it. Push. Yeah, go.
So do you want me to put a towel under it? Okay.
And then, oh, you're going. Which way? Because I'm going the opposite way to your going.
Keep going around.
Yeah, but, well, if you so, I get it.
No, let's move.
Okay, and then forward on
And
your
then
side
you
then.
come this way. Emma.
Oh, keep going down. Okay.
Maybe come around one swing my way.
No, this one help.
Can you move the phone?
Where is it?
Over there! Oh, like out of view now.
Hey guys, I don't know what they're doing.
Oh, is it going to crash? Is it going to crash this? We'll put this on now.
No, put it on.
Alright, I'm gonna move this. Alright, contact is there. Yeah, let me help. Okay, now we pull this. You hold the top. Yeah? I
No,
think
it
we
won't.
need to tilt it. Alright.
No, up the pull.
Huh?
But is it going to pull your way?
No, I got it. And push then when I pull. Push. There you go. Okay, so now if you support from the back there, we're going to lift it up on my corner. You got it then?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, push. Push. Up, no, hold on. Up. Yeah, yeah. Okay, a little bit more, a little bit more. You got it then?